Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be seeing how git diff works. Okay, so git diff command is used to find what are the difference in the file, what was my previous state, what is my current state. Okay, so any file if I have committed, okay, and now I have again made some local changes, then I want to find the difference in the file. Okay, it's a good practice of checking the difference what we have done in the code itself. So to do that, we have very simple command git diff. Okay, if you hit enter, it will compare the changes with your previous change, right? So this green is your current change, what you have in your local, okay? And then you have this red text, which is your previous state of code, okay? So you can see that we have added some additional text here, okay? That is why we are getting this difference. Okay, so this will help you to make out the difference between the previous and the current state of your code.